This is the BBC Home Service. Here is the news at 9 o'clock. The unsuccessful evacuation of our armed forces from Dunkirk has resulted in over 250,000 of our troops stranded in occupied France. The Ministry of Defense has announced that as of this moment, we should expect a full German invasion of this country over the forthcoming week.
Stay tight. We should have a visual any minute. Listen up, Johnny. It's just you and me now. Stick close and don't do anything foolish.
Roger, Red Leader. I'm right behind you.
Right. Let's see how many of these bastards we can take with us. There they are. Bombers, 3 o'clock. Now. The king and country. Tally-ho! Johnny! I said stay on my wing, but I've got one in my sight. Don't be a bloody fool! There's a crowd with a hot for you! You're a sitting dead man!
He's got me! I'm hit!
Johnny! Get out of there! Use your damn parachute!
I can't! The canopy's stuck!
You rotters! You stinking rotters! All right! This is for Johnny and all the others! Ha! Take that, Fritzy! I'm hit! I'm going down! We're done for! It's all over to you now, the people of England.
Tell my wife I love her very much.
Chris! Come on, lad. Tea break's over. Put them big hands to use.
Coming, Tom.
Back to the village for a pie and a pint, I reckon.
Right. Let's get this harvest home. Yeah! Come on now, boy. Come on.
Another day in God's glorious kingdom.
Morning, Vicar.
Good morning, Albert.
Lovely day for it.
Then I attacked the second bunker and destroyed 3 more tanks before holding off the German army single-handed, only to find I was still stuck in France.
What did you do?
I swam the 20-odd miles of channel back to Dover, whereupon I was presented with my second Victoria Cross.
Oh, Captain English, you're so brave.
Yes, I know.
And handsome.
I suppose I am, rather. Now, tell me, Reverend, how is that fine young daughter of yours?
She's well, thank you, Captain. A minor hiccup at boarding school in need of a little direction, I think.
Have a look at my tulips.
Daisy, come and say hello to Captain English.
We are 50 miles from London. Prepare to test weapons.
Jawohl, Herr Kapitän.
A good turnout this year. And look, there's lovely Daisy. As charming and as sweet as the first rose in spring.
Daisy? What's she doing back from boarding school so early?
Yes, it is hard juggling one's career between saving England and modelling Brill Cream and rugby shorts.
Amazing.
Now.
Hello, Daisy.
Chris! Ooh, oh, my goodness.
Oh, careful. Here, let me get those for you. Oh, sorry, they're a little bit crushed.
Oh, don't worry, Chris. It's all right. So, you're a farmer now. I thought you always wanted to join the army.
No, they said my hands are too big. They said hands like this is more valuable in a cornfield than in a battlefield.
Go, you and your big hands. Always got you into trouble like that time at Sunday school.
So are you going to be around these parts for a while, then?
Oh, it looks that way. Father wants me to become a fanny.
You what?
A fanny. First aid nursing yeomanry. We're all young fanny here. Matron Rutty is our head fanny.
Girls, do your bit. Join my fanny and see the world.
Daisy, where the hell are you?
Oh, that's Father. I'd better be off. Bye, Chris. Oh, it was nice seeing you again.
Bye, Daisy.
What were you doing talking to that boy?
It's only Chris, Father. We used to be friends.
Don't be ridiculous, Daisy. The village orphan with those fat, retarded hands.
Take no notice of what they say, lad.
Herr Kapitän, target sighted. In a small Englander village.
Excellent. Stand by, all stations.
Watch out. There's a whiff of Fritz in the air.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, dear. Open the bomb! Achtung! Achtung! Was ist das? Ein Perambulator? Ein Englander Baby? Egal, Bomb, los!
Nazi bomb! Look out!
Oh, shit! It's heading for the baby's pram!
blown my chances of marrying off Daisy.
Reverse engines. Schnell!
Come on, what are you waiting for? He's a sitting duck!
Action stations! Here we go, lads!
Tom, get the hay off that car and load up the machine gun!
Let's go on some Germans!
Let them have it, girls!
Bullets will do nothing against the armor plating.
Christopher! These bullets are useless! We need to get the flat gun working, lad!
Right, Tom! Get this thing up and running!
I can't! It's stuck!
Right, let her rip over!
Here we go.
Don't worry, I'll get the bugger.
You got him, Albert.
We are losing altitude.
We must gain height. Drop the ballast.
It is not good, Herr Captain. We are too heavy. We must lose more weight.
We cannot let the Zeppelin fall into enemy hands. For the Fatherland, Igor!
Jawohl, Herr Captain. Heil Hitler!
A slight improvement in altitude, sir.
Ach, Herr Hitler! Bye-bye, Englanders!
I'm going to bring my little barges across the water.
You win again, Herr Goebbels. You stopped me from invading England.
Yeah, I did. That makes it 3-0.
But still, this hasn't solved the problem of the invasion.
Oh, hi, boys.
Himmler!
Going, old bean. You're looking good. Hello, Goebbels. How you feeling, little fellow?
I beat Herr Göring at war.
So, you still can't find a way into England, Göring?
Nein, I have tried everything. This endless fog over the England Channel has prevented all of our plans for invading England.
Fair now that the whole of the England army is stuck in France and the RAF is annihilated. The Führer has an ingenious plan of attack.
Oh, what is it, Herr Himmler? I've tried every possible means of attacking that little island.
He wants us to dig under the England Channel, right into the heart of London, capture Herr Winston Churchill from Downing Street, then lock him in a cage.
What a beautiful plan, mein Führer. Did you hear that, Goebbels, darling? We will be summering in London.
Join us, join.
Oh! Not even the England weather can prevent us now!
Look, Tom!
Yeah, and I reckon that's the last of the few.
Just like my second marriage. Hey, what the? What's this? Smells like Ruski propaganda. Shit! This looks like England just screwed the pooch. I gotta haul ass to London. These commies ain't seen the last of Billy Fisk. Yeah!
I can't be doing with all these politics of war and such like. Much rather spend my time painting landscapes or building a wall. Nice cul-de-sac for our retirement, eh, Pinky Pooh? Just 3 more days till my pension.
Morning, paper, sir.
Ah, thank you. What's this? Invasion looms? Hitler will invade today? Blast! So much for an early retirement.
Yeah. Are you Mr. Winston Churchill?
What? Why, yes, I am.
So you care? He looks like Hitler.
What? Pinky Pooh? Stop that nonsense. And what the bloody hell is going on up there? Who the devil are you?
Joseph Kaplinski, Polish Electrical Services. I make better telegraph lines for you.
You can't just go putting up new telegraph lines wherever you damn well please. This is a listed roadman. I don't know why Hitler bothered with you, Polish lot.
Les Anglais.
There's a foreigner down on the beach.
How can you tell, Albert?
He's funny looking, and he's up to something.
Oh, let's have a look. It's just a fisherman, Albert.
You can never be too careful these days.
Albert, if the Nazis invade, do you really think they'll do it in a little boat like that?
Well, I'm going to keep an eye on him.
I heard a maiden sing in the valley. Oh, don't just... Ooh, good morning, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, that's it! Keep drilling! London can't be far now!
How's that foreigner getting on down there, Albert?
He's getting on all right by the looks of things.
Another cup of tea, Christopher?
No, thanks.
You all right, my lad?
Here, I know what's wrong. He's all loved up with that vicar's daughter.
Ah, leave it out. Can't join the army, can't join the navy, can't even get in the blinking home guard.
Sorry, Chris, but you know the army's rules about hands.
Yeah, fingers too big to fit in the trigger guard.
Now that's just nonsense. They're a fine set of paws you got there, lad. Don't let anybody tell you no different.
How the hell can I fight a Nazi invasion with a pitchfork and a tractor?
Invasion? Nah, there won't be no invasion, lad.
Yeah, they won't get past us. There's absolutely nothing we ain't thought of.
English Chronicle, invasion news, read all about it. English Chronicle,
God, another day off, it drives me up.
invasion news, read all about it.
Get your lovely page. Here, darling, you need your green.
That's tulip. It wasn't good.
Oh, I see. What is that noise?
What's that?
What the? What's this? Some kind of earthquake?
I say, Pomfrey, do you hear what I hear?
What the dickens?
are in London.
Ah, excellent. Right through the Northern Line. They'll be having delays on that for the next 100 years.
Kill them! Kill them all! God's teeth! Order!
Do not run. The German army is your friend.
Oh, look at all them Nazis.
Hey, don't worry, kid. I'm an American. Old Billy Fisk is gonna go get some payback. Yeah!
Hand frei, fahren Sie jetzt los. Werden Sie die rechte Seite abzudecken.
Tunneled right out into our back entrance.
What? Retirement shall have to wait. It is time for action.
Sir, no, your place is here. We can't risk losing you. You must stay in the bunker.
We have no army left. Who else is going to defend Downing Street?
We still have Major Rupee and his brave Punjabi guards. I guarantee they will stand and fight.
Brave men of the Punjab, we are the last of the remaining empire. The only soldiers England has left. Their army has surrendered, helpless on the shores of Dunkirk. So now this honor has been bestowed on us. Us, the men of the Raj. And when the time comes, we will all do our duty for England and protect Churchill Sahib at all costs.
What in the name?
Bloody hell, it's Billy Fisk.
Well, if it ain't Major Rupee and his pack of engines.
You mean to tell me that out of the whole bloody Royal Air Force, the only pilot to survive the Battle of Britain was
an American? That's right, hot dog. Morning, boys.
I suppose you have come to pay me that $50 American you owe me?
Nope. Wally got shot out of my pants this morning. Your $50 is somewhere over France now, buddy.
I might have known. That is the last time I play poker with some half-wit, two-bit crop duster pilot.
Oh, yeah? Hell, half the Soviet army's around that corner.
You mean German?
They're gonna roll their tanks up this street like shit through a goose. So quit your jabbering and saddle up. Lock and load, guys.
Make ready, men!
Hey, pal. Time to take a hike.
No, I'm nearly finished.
Crazy-ass Polak. Okay, Roop. Let's light the candles.
Corporal, light the invasion beacon. They're on their way.
Yes, Major. Light the beacon. It's the beacon at Whitehall. Light the beacon.
What's that? Blimey. It's the beacon of Crystal Palace. Fire the beacon, lads! It's the invasion! The beacon at Croydon's been lit, sir!
Father, look! It's the invasion beacon at Maidstone.
They've come.
It's the invasion. Look! Light the beacon, Albert.
Back to the village, lads. There ain't much time. Sacre bleu! Take up your positions, men!
Come on, you guys! Get that MG moving! We got ourselves a war to win! All right, you commie assholes. It's time to hammer down the circle.
Got it! I got it!
Quiet, quiet! It's the news!
This is the BBC Home Service. Here is the news at 12 o'clock. The German army has invaded London. I repeat, the German army has invaded London.
London? I don't believe it.
Why can't they stay in their own country?
The Prime Minister will now make a speech from the Cabinet War Rooms in Downing Street.
My dear countrymen, my dear friends, never in the field of human conflict was so much buggered up by so few for so many. It all...
What's wrong with it?
Germany calling, Germany calling. Hello, Englanders! This is the voice of the Nazis. The whole of the BBC are now dead. We have successfully invaded your capital city of London and are ready to capture your beloved Prime Minister, Herr Winston Churchill from Downingstrasse. Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a very special message for. Do not hide. We will find you. You are as good as captured, fat boy. No one can escape the Third Reich!
And that is all I have to say on the matter. Apart from my elite Punjabi guards, we have absolutely no military defense whatsoever. Therefore, I ask any of you who are in any way able to come to our aid to do so immediately.
We're back.
And I give the order we should retreat to... Where should we retreat to, Monty?
How the hell should I know?
Retreat to... retreat to...
Scotland.
The land of the Scots? Sir! The Scots are hordes of murderous, blood-drinking savages.
Retreat to Scotland. Head north to... Retreat to Scotland. Head north to Hadrian's Wall. Good luck, and God save us all.
Scotland?
Hadrian's Wall? Surrender seems to be our only option.
You hear that? They're talking about surrender.
I've never been to London. Where is it? Let's go back to the pub.
Father, they're leaving.
Stay and fight. Be more like the foreigner.
Like who?
The foreigner, him.
Who's he?
Found him down on the beach.
Huh? La guerre. Je vis pour la guerre.
Resistance fighter, no doubt.
Tu déconnes quoi? Je m'appelle Gaston Larocque. Je suis français.
Ah, sod this, I'm off home.
You'll have no homes left to go back to. What's wrong with you all?
Chris?
Have you forgotten what being English means? It means being free. I might just be a simple farm boy, but at least I'm a free simple farm boy. What does freedom mean to you? Freedom to grow your own crops and graze livestock. Think what they'll do to your farms. Your cows, Farmer Grey. Your pigs, Mr. and Mrs. Sparrow.
I got a ferret.
Think what will happen to your fanny, Matron Rutty. Join me, so that in future years you can proudly say, I fought for England. Now who is with me? Are you ready for a war?
We got no guns.
He's right, Christopher. We used up all our weapons against that Zeppelin.
Huh? Pas de problème.
Merde!
Voilà.
Ah! All right, you fuckers! Arm yourselves!
Wow, Chris, when did you get so tough? Whew, I like it.
The army won't be able to hold out for long. We need to get to London. It's not far. We can make it if we move now.
Don't be bloody ridiculous, boy. How do you propose we get there?
On old Betty.
Bastard! TNT, up the line!
I am coming, Sahib!
Pack as much TNT into the barricades as you can. These firecrackers will bust their German bottoms right back to Berlin!
All units proceed towards Downing Street and take out the number 10 house.
Steig ein! Weiter in Richtung Whitehal und Darby-Straße! Erste Einheit auf den Angriff vorbereiten! Sieg ein zum Zeitpunkt A!
All of you fannies go with Tom. Make your way to Hadrian's Wall. We're heading for London!
Just keep your big hands off my daughter, boy. It's time to take out the Ruski trash.
You mean Nazi trash?
I am frightened, Sahib.
Stay close to me.
A lot of people are going to die today.
Erste Einsatzgruppe! Nehmen Sie die linke Seite! Angreifen!
Feuer! Coming, left flank!
Dritte Einsatzgruppe! Los! Bringen Sie die Schussposition ein!
1542, right flank! Action! Pull back to the second barricade, man!
Nehmen Sie die Führung und bleiben Sie auf die rechte Straßenseite! Jawohl! Weitstände!
God in Himmel! We must take out the number 10 house! That is where the dog Churchill is hiding! Take it out!
Jawohl, Herr Oberkommandeur!
Oi! Bone-bladed ass! Churchill snake stool!
You miss! Number 10 house! Not the number 9 house! The number 10 house! Fire hard! Missed again! Not the number 11 house! Not the number 9 house! The one in the middle! Number 10!
We're approaching London.
Full steam ahead!
I say.
Dritte Einsatzgruppe! Vorwärts und nehmt die rechte Seite! Los! Los!
Fall back, men! I'm going to blow the barricades!
I cannot lift you, sir. You're just too heavy.
Buddy, we got about 10 seconds before these barricades pop.
But Sergeant Yaramal is the heaviest soldier in the Punjab. No man can lift him.
I grew up lifting redwoods in South Dakota. No little engine's gonna weigh Billy Fisk down. I got you, buddy.
Never leave a man behind! Fisk, get out of there!
Leave me!
Home run! Whoa, that was intense, Billy Fisk.
Hell, that's what all the gals say.
Everybody take cover!
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
What the hell are those blasted Punjabis doing up there? Nearly brought down the whole bloody house.
You think you use enough dynamite there, buddy?
It has not stopped them! Unless we get through that wall, Mr. Churchill is finished.
Hey, what's that sound?
Oh, they're attacking from both bloody ends!
Holy balls on a buffalo!
We're here to rescue Mr. Churchill.
But just in the nick of bloody time, too. Get into the house! Go, go, go!
I hear you, Rupee. Door breach! Let's go rescue the president.
Now what? Who the devil are you there?
Prime Minister, we've come to rescue you, sir.
Billy Fisk, American Volunteers. They brought some crazy-ass war machine to bust you out of here.
Aha! Finally a chance to face Fritz.
Sir, you'll need a gun.
No problem, Monty.
Yes, sir.
Aha! A little cubby hole. Mum's the word, eh, lads? Wife doesn't know. Shall we, gentlemen?
Follow me!
Move, move!
We need to get past those tanks. If we stay here, we're trapped like rats in a barrel. Oh!
Take hot lead, Fritz.
Look what you've done to me wall, you young hooligan!
Sorry, sir. Daisy, let's go. Come on.
That's your ticket out of it. Get on, Winston.
Mr. President, you gotta get your ass out of here.
Honey!
There's not enough power. We need to get more steam into her.
Do something, boy!
Oh, we need to build up the pressure until she hits 150. Then yank down on the handbrake. Don't let her hit 160 or she'll blow.
Right, Chris.
Get this turret cracking!
Pressure. 30.
More coal. Come on. Come on.
Faster, faster!
60.
Stop! Stop!
He's stuck. The bastard's stuck.
Schweinhund!
No, no, I'm not finished yet!
Come on. Come on.
Instead, he's getting a berry!
Pressure. 110. 120.
Oh, bucket!
Destroy that steam engine!
130.
We're nearly there.
Pressure's 150.
Fire!
Incoming!
London is ours!
I want to go home.
Ja, das Fritz-Café! Das Fritz-Café!
So where shall we go now, Herr Going?
Our new home!
Forward to Buckingham Palace!
Excuse me, but this happens to be my house.
Take him to the Tower of London!
You fools! You bloody fools! Don't you realize? I'm 3/4 German!
They're burning London.
Our great city has suffered much this day.
Only Nazi scum would stoop so low.
Chris.
Oh, morning, Daisy.
Chris, you've been driving all night. Why didn't you sleep?
I didn't want to waste time.
Aren't you cold? I've got a blanket if you...
No, I'm all right. The fire's still blazing.
It's so calm and peaceful. You wouldn't think there was a war going on.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful, isn't it?
You've done so much, Chris. So much for England.
Ah, what a wonderful morning the good Lord has brought us. Eh, bastard?
Ah, time for breakfast and a nice cigar. I wonder how Major Rupee and the Punjabis got out of London.
Race you to Hadrian's Wall! Woo-hoo!
What is this place?
The remains of the Lost Legion. In the final years of his rule, Roman Emperor Hadrian sent troops to the outer borders of England. They never returned. This is their tomb.
Hadrian's Wall! Look, Daisy!
It's a bloody miracle. Open the gate, lad! Open the gate! Open the gate! It's Chris and Prime Minister Churchill! Woo-wee! Now that's what I call American spirit.
We have arrived. 'Tis a great feat of English endurance. But endurance breeds appetite. And so tonight, we feast.
There certainly is an abundance of young females, eh?
Hey, Roops, she's looking at you.
Oh, she looks dirty.
Back in 79, and there I was, out of ammunition and surrounded. Fuzzies everywhere.
Oh, such bravery.
Look, everyone's here. It's a miracle we all made it.
That's right, Christopher.
Dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Mr. Churchill?
A lost soul on the eve of battle. Go and see if he's all right, lad.
Hello? Mr. Churchill? Hello?
Albert, Albert, look down there. A basket.
What is it, Tom?
Albert, it's a baby. There, young un. It's all right. Don't cry. Uncle Tom's here.
What is this thing?
It's only a baby, Vicar. We found him in the reeds, there.
Ah, that is no mortal child. Look at the bastard's hands. The sign of Lucifer. Tie a stone round its neck and cast it back into the river. Rid us of its evil.
I think I'll call him Christopher.
Do as you wish, but be it on your eternal souls. I shall not baptize that creature. He is one of them.
Them?
Them from the north.
Oh, Mr. Churchill. Old uniforms, sir. Must be left over from years ago.
Ah, the old 42nd. They were posted up here under the command of the Duke of Wellington. See to it that they are distributed amongst the men.
Yes, sir.
Here, Squire, look at my jacket.
That won't fit you.
No, it's the fabric.
Hey! Nice uniforms, guys.
Christopher, I must thank you for saving my life. You would make a fine soldier.
The government don't think so. They reckon my hands are too big. And, well, they are pretty big.
The government? I am the government. And so, from this day on, you are a soldier in His Majesty's forces.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I won't let you down, I promise.
I'm counting on it. The battle for London is over. The battle for England is about to begin.
Mr. Churchill! Mr. Churchill! Chris! Look at the sky!
Aha, Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights. Its name comes from the Roman goddess of dawn. Ancient Norse mythology suggests that the light came from the Valkyries riding through the sky, collecting the dead from the battlefield. But it's little more than an atmospheric phenomenon. Though rather spectacular, I must say.
Isn't it beautiful, Chris?
Yes, it is.
But tonight is not the night for you two to be listening to the ramblings of an old man.
Shall we go somewhere else? You know, I've always loved you, Daisy.
Oh, my gosh. Oh.
We've got Christmas early!
London is ours, you fool!
There's my dream!
Ta-da! Well, hello, boys. It's me.
Heil Hitler!
What do you think? Lovely fabric, isn't it? Feel it, feel it.
You look fabulous, meine Führer. I'm so sorry if we'd only known of your arrival.
Oh, you didn't think I would miss this, did you? A fancy dress party in the palace of Buckingham. Now, tell me, Mr. Himmler, what have you all been up to?
Well, meine Führer, since you have been in Paris, a most excellent accomplishment has been achieved. Up until recently, meine Führer, the England underground was a complete and utter shambles.
More like a spaghetti than a functional railway, mein Führer.
This better be going somewhere. I got an early flight from Versailles for this.
You're going to love this.
We have brought efficiency to the London Underground.
All lines lead to their Vaterland.
I may have the body of a weak and feeble Nazi, but I do have a really big Luger. We did not conquer this backward country in order to bring it culture and discipline. We came to capture Herr Winston Churchill. So why is that cage empty? You let Churchill get away? Of all the incompetent, idiotic, mobilize the army north. Send them into damn Scotland if you have to. Oh, yes, of course. Of course. That must be where they are hiding, the land of the Scots. They know we would never try to attack in fear of what lies beyond that great Hadrian's Wall.
Scotland, meine Führer? But this is the stories. Not even the Romans went beyond the great Hadrian's Wall. Who knows what evil lies up there?
Enough! You will attack Scotland and capture Herr Winston Churchill. Immediately!
I love you, Hans.
Awake, man slobs! We have a war to win!
Well, I drank 4 pints of sherry. It was a damn fine evening.
Stand to, men! Eyes front! Straighten up that line.
Good morning, Rupee.
Ah, Churchill side.
Your men look magnificent.
Thank you, sir. All men present, correct, and uniforms fitting perfectly.
Morning, Prime Minister.
And a good morning to you, too.
And a fine Highland morning it is, too, sir.
Now, Rupee, how are things shaping up?
Ah, well, sir, every farmer in England is here.
I bring my lads from Whitby, North Yorkshire.
The men from Broad Oak, Herefordshire are ready, Prime Minister.
The 4th Mate Cumberland boys. Hurry!
Splendid, splendid.
It's not much, but they have a great heart.
The finest of our English agriculture. The salt of our earth. Just as Cromwell looked upon his new model army at the field of Naseby in 1645, eh, Rupee?
Yes, sir. We also have an air force. Billy Fisk has rustled up a biplane and is giving basic flying lessons now.
All right, hot dog. Listen up, because I'm only going to tell you this once more. You press that to start the engine. You press that to fire your guns.
Engines, guns, right.
Okay. Now take her up and show me what you got.
Yeah, right. Okay.
3rd time lucky. Here we go.
And where the blazes do you think you have been?
Father, I can explain.
No need to explain, young lady. I understand perfectly. If you think that being in Scotland is a license to get your fat hands on my daughter, you've got another thing coming, boy.
Well, looks like he might need a couple more lessons, sir.
Shit.
You stupid bastard!
Looks like I'm your air cover, Mr. President. Ain't no way I can teach these douchebags how to fly.
Dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Mr. Churchill, the scouts have just returned, sir. Reports are of Nazis. Thousands of them coming from the south.
So, it begins.
We found this in the cave, sir. And we managed to salvage these, all flintlock muskets. Exactly 1 gun per man.
Splendid. Let us prepare for battle. Ready, aim, fire!
Huh?
Straighten up that line.
Yo, Roopy Doopy. Never thought I'd see red engines this far from home.
And you tell me, Fisky. Whiskey? Why did you travel 5,000 miles to fight a war that the English ought to be fighting for themselves, hmm?
Hey, look who's talking, pal.
Good point.
This is our last line of defense. We will hold them from this wall for as long as possible. Gaston, Tom, Albert, artillery.
Yes, oui, sir. Monsieur Churchill.
Ratty.
Prime Minister?
You and Daisy are in command of your fanning.
Splendid.
Ruby.
Yes, sir.
You remain.
Yes, sir.
You remain in command of your men.
Thank you, sir.
Fisk, you're our Air Force.
You got it, Mr. President.
Now, Christopher. 2 days ago, I was an old man ready for retirement. I'd given up on the world, but you rescued me from the boredom and restraint of politics and gave me the chance for one more fight. Now, I'm asking you to help us again. Head north into uncharted territory, find whatever is out there, and bring them back here to aid us in our struggle for victory. I am asking you this as a soldier.
As a soldier? I accept, Mr. Churchill.
Good man. I cannot underestimate the importance of your success. The future of our civilization. And my pension now rests with you. You must not fail.
Yes, sir.
Now then, Mr. Hitler knows that he will have to break us on this wall or lose the war. Let us, therefore, brace ourselves to our duties and do as our friend from the United States would, and kick some butt!
This may be the last time we ever see each other.
Don't say that. Mr. Churchill wouldn't have picked you unless he believed in you. England believes in you, Chris. And I believe in you.
You take care of yourself.
Take this shotgun. It might be dangerous out there.
I'll see you when I get back.
I love you, Chris. I love you.
That's funny. Sounds like a train. Bloody hell.
Communists.
For the last time, Billy Fisk, these are not communists.
Yeah? That's what they want you to think.
Bollocks.
the thin red line of heroes. Oh, I'm so frightened.
Hey, Rupee. Here's that $50 I owed you.
Ah, very decent of you, old friend.
Just thought I'd square up with the house, you know? Shame you won't get a chance to spend it.
I'm waiting for you, you son of a Nazi whore!
Father!
Come and fight me. My god against yours.
Sorry, sir. He must have found his way back to the bottle.
Good man.
Sausage eating wankers!
Let us take example from the church. Double the ale ration. 2 pints per man.
Sir, double the ale ration, 2 pints per man.
Come on, lads. Drink her right down.
And to those feet in ancient time walk upon England's mountain green.
And was the holy Lamb of God on England's pleasant pastures seen.
That's it! See!
You little prick!
Fire the catapult!
foul play.
Fear not, we shall hold off the attack until dawn. Then Heidi and Helga will lead the attack. Hello, girls!
Gates reinforced now, Prime Minister.
We are now truly subject to Mother Nature.
Bloody English weather.
You know, Daisy, I usually do not approve of men, but that boy Christopher will make a first-rate husband.
I hope I see him again.
Please, no, wait! I mean you no harm! I just want to speak to your chief!
Stop it here! Look at his hair!
He har hört, hör! Jag kan höja husarna. Jag kan jag bjuda man. Lagen.
No! You know!
Lagen.
Leave me alone! No! Oh, no! Who's there?
It is I, the chief of this clan. Who are you?
My name is Chris.
Chris, is it? Are you an assassin, Chris?
No, I'm a soldier from England.
A soldier from England, is it? And what did they tell you in England? That we are complete savages?
There are some that think that, but I have heard a different tale. The tale of a great Scottish hero who defended Scotland all on his own. The tale of Braveheart. Back then, the English king was evil. He threw people out of castle windows.
I see.
Everybody loved Braveheart, even though there were rumors that he were actually an Australian.
Interesting.
But in the end, he almost beat the English. Do you know this tale?
Aye, laddie. I know this tale. I know this tale because I am Braveheart!
You what?
And you, Chris, are a Scotsman.
No, I'm not.
You are?
No, really, I'm from Kent.
Ha! Kent? Just look at those great hands. That's a mark of a Harlander if ever I saw one.
Braveheart, we need your help. We need your help and your lethal weapons.
Would that be lethal weapon 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Will you join us in the fight for freedom?
Aye. But first, there's something we must do. Now you're home, laddie.
Freedom!
They're up to something. They're definitely up to something.
Bring me Churchill's head on a plate.
Jawohl, Herr Himmler.
What in the name of...
It's like the whole of hell has awoken.
Shit on a stick.
Artillery! Fire!
Stand by for full armor attack!
They're approaching the east wall! Hold the line! It's a bloody pack of wild Bavarian banshee bitches!
Beat the gates! Tom, get ready to sound a retreat.
Yes, sir.
Sound the general retreat.
Sound the general retreat.
I retreat for no man.
Come on, father! Fall back!
Retreat down! Retreat to the catapult!
Fall back, man! Jaldi, jaldi!
Lass sie nicht raus!
I need someone to jump the propeller!
Give me some cover!
Covering fire!
Get some of this, baby! Yeah!
Fire!
No!
Oh, they've got Tom!
Murderers! We're out of ammunition! This is it!
Well, well, it looks like we have one. Looks like poor Chris did not make it. I think this is the end. I am now ready to meet my maker.
We fought bravely.
We fought like Englishmen.
Well, come on then, damn it. What are you waiting for?
Sei bereit, sie zu erschießen!
Oh, Chris, where are you?
Christopher! You made it, lad.
He's done it. The boy's done it. He's brought us back an army. So the stories were true. Men in skirts.
I always knew that bastard was one of them.
All right, you Russian Nazi assholes. It's just you and me now. Hey, boy! I'm back!
The day is ours, gentlemen. And ladies, the day is ours. Christopher, this is your victory.
Godforsaken country. Right! Into the tunnel, now! Now!
We did it, Daisy.
Yeah, we won the parade! All right!
Those big hands are going to make me the happiest woman in England.
Ah, looks like the hen has found her cock.
You stupid bitch! Watch your back! Cavalry coming through!
Fisk! You're alive!
Billy Fisk never dies. Hey, where's that Frenchie gone? Hello!
I do love this car.
Son of a bitch.
Urgent letter for Mr. Churchill coming through.
Aha! Finally, me pension has arrived. A nice, peaceful retirement, If they think they can get rid of me that easily, they've got another thing coming. Now, England and her empire shall last 1,000 years.
Then again, maybe not.
I'm gonna eat your face!
Close enough for me.
Big Scottish welly in you.
Chris, what have you done?
Let us retype this English castle. England is ours. British Empire.